Welcome to TrustTrack's user support videos. Luckily, TrustTrack has many standard repair options readily available to you. However, in rare instances, you may need to submit a request that is not listed. In this case, a custom repair request may be made using TrustTrack. Please note that standard repair requests do not have to go through another approval to receive a seal. Custom repairs must be approved by internal engineers and will take longer to be completed. Let us show you how. Pull up the Job ID page for the job that needs a repair. Click on the Items tab. On the right, you will notice a column named Repair with checkboxes. Click on the box that correlates with the item ID that you need to repair. A pop-up menu will show a list of common or standard repair options. If you cannot use a standard repair that is listed, scroll to the bottom of the list and select Custom. You will see the drawing for the selected item ID on the screen. TrustTrack provides several markup tools for you to use to illustrate the needed change for the repair. The drawing tool allows you to freely mark up or circle any area in red on the drawing. There is a highlighter that can be used to highlight in yellow. The Bullets tool allows you to add red numbers to any area on the drawing and makes a space to type in the corresponding changes needed. The square allows you to add a red square anywhere on the drawing. You may add text by clicking the A and then typing in the text box. Click on the drawing where you want the text to be displayed. There is a Notes option in the upper right. It allows you to type in notes about the custom repair at the top of the drawing. Click the Delete tool to erase any markups or notes. If you delete a numbered bullet note, it will automatically update the list and renumber the items for you. After making your changes, click on Next. A pop-up will allow you to upload photos from your phone or device that show the item that needs a repair. Photos are optional. Click Next to see the required drop-down menu of reasons for a custom repair. Click Done and you will see the custom repair listed with the option to edit, remove, or complete. Click on Complete to submit your custom repair. Once submitted, you will see a notification that states Request Submitted. At this point, an email will be sent to internal engineers for approval before receiving a seal. You will notice the Repairs page. You can see all repairs submitted for this job ID. The first was a standard repair that was completed in minutes. It has a seal on the drawing. The second request shows all saved changes of the custom repair but does not yet have a seal. It shows as submitted. Once it has been approved, the cover letter and drawings with seal will be available to be emailed and downloaded as well. TrustTrax is here 24/7 to help you do business anytime, anywhere. Let TrustTrax work for you today.